Hey guys, welcome back to some brand new video and unboxing content. And my name is Abraham, better known online as Abraham_11. And today I will be unboxing what I just got. So, what I just got is I got the minifigures of skeleton SpongeBob figures. And so let's get on to this unboxing content. So guys, here is the SpongeBob minifigures of skeletons, and there are minifigures of it. So let's open this. Okay, I gotta open that one. So, or something. Let me just open that. Okay. Got to open that. Okay. Okay. One to another. Oh, I dropped it. So, let's get on to this video. So guys, here are my minifigures of SpongeBob skeletons. And so, what do you guys think? And let me know in the comments down below if you really like SpongeBob. And so, thanks for watching this.